Most women with crepey skin have already tried everything. A thick body butter every morning, a rich lotion every night. The skin still looks the same 6 months later. The problem is not the product. It is the category. Most body moisturizers treat dryness. Crepey skin is not dryness. We tested 7 of the most popular body moisturizers against the only 5 criteria that matter for crepey skin. One clear winner. Starting with number 7. The 5 criteria: skin renewal, long-term hydration, barrier repair, irritation risk, and value. Each product rated on the same scale, same questions, same standard. Number 7. Creep Erase Advanced Body Repair Treatment. Around $20 to $22. When a brand names itself after the problem you are trying to solve, it earns the right to go first. What it claims: True Firm Complex, a proprietary blend of dill, apple, and sage extracts that the brand says supports natural elastin production and structural resilience. Before and after photographs. Jane Seymour. The infomercial that has been running since 2014. What the test found? True Firm is a proprietary blend with no independent peer-reviewed studies confirming its mechanism. Dill, apple, and sage extracts are antioxidants. Antioxidants protect skin. They do not renew it. The clinical claims on the website reference 2 small internal trials not published in any dermatology journal. The formula is a rich moisturizer. Shea butter, glycerin, vitamin E. These are real ingredients that genuinely hydrate. The texture is comfortable. Reviewers describe improvement in dryness. What the formula does not contain: lactic acid, urea at a therapeutic concentration. Any aha with a documented skin renewal mechanism. The ingredients that address crepey texture at the cellular level are not here. Who it works for: women who want a rich daily body moisturizer with a pleasant fragrance and an encouraging brand story. Who should skip it? Women expecting the True Firm marketing to translate into documented skin renewal. The formula is a moisturizer. The name is a claim. The next one spends more on scent than on actives. Number 6. Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Around $21 for 2.5 ounces. This is the body cream that convinced an entire generation that skincare could smell like a vacation. The pistachio and salted caramel fragrance. The guarana, the cult following. What it claims: visibly tightens skin. Depuffs, caffeine-rich guarana smooths and firms. What the test found: flip the jar. Parfum is the 6th ingredient. After parfum, benzyl alcohol, benzyl benzoate, benzyl salicylate, citral, limonene, linalool. 7 fragrance compounds, each one individually listed, because the U requires their disclosure. The formula is built primarily around fragrance. The active claim rests on guarana extract, a caffeine source. Caffeine has documented circulation-stimulating properties in cosmetic research. The concentration in this formula is not disclosed. The clinical study the brand references involved 34 participants over 4 weeks. That is a consumer perception study, not an independent clinical trial. There are no ceramides, no urea, no lactic acid, no aha of any kind. The formula delivers hydration and a genuinely extraordinary scent. It does not address skin renewal. Worth mentioning for women whose skin tolerates fragrance well and whose primary goal is daily hydration and an exceptional sensory experience, this cream delivers on both. The concern is not the fragrance itself. It is that the formula does not contain the ingredients crepey skin actually needs. The next one has been in medicine cabinets for generations, and it has the same gap. Number 5. Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. Around $8. 180 years of heritage. The smell of every grandmother's bathroom. The jar that has survived trends, reformulations, and skincare revolutions simply by being exactly what it has always been. What it claims: deep moisture, soft, smooth skin. The classic. What the test found, the formula is almost entirely occlusive petrolatum, cocoa butter, mineral oil. These are among the most effective moisture-sealing ingredients available. They create a physical barrier that prevents water from leaving the skin. For extreme dryness, cracked heels, or very dehydrated skin, this is a legitimate and effective approach. The gap, crepey skin needs exfoliation of dead surface cells and stimulation of cell turnover. Occlusives seal the surface. They do not resurface it. There is no lactic acid, no urea, no renewal mechanism. The formula treats the symptom dryness, not the underlying texture change that defines crepey appearance. Who it works for: women who need powerful moisture sealing, especially in winter or on very dry patches. Who should skip it for crepey skin specifically? The formula addresses dryness. Crepey skin is a structural problem. Sealing in more moisture does not change the texture. The next one has a dermatologist endorsement and the same limitation. Number 4. Aveeno Skin Relief Intense Moisture Repair Body Cream. Around $12. If you have ever been to a dermatologist and asked about sensitive skin body care, there is a good chance this brand came up. Aveeno has spent decades building clinical credibility on the back of colloidal oatmeal, an FDA-recognized skin protectant with genuine soothing and barrier-supporting properties. What it claims? Intense moisture repair. Clinically proven. Dermatologist-recommended. What the test found? Colloidal oatmeal, glycerin, shea butter, dimethicone. These are real ingredients. The formula genuinely soothes, genuinely hydrates, genuinely reduces the feeling of tightness in dry skin. The dermatologist recommendation is earned for what the formula actually does. What the formula does not do: renew skin. There is no lactic acid, no urea at a meaningful concentration, no AHA. The formula is a sophisticated moisture product for reactive or sensitive skin. It addresses the surface. It does not address the underlying loss of elasticity and cell turnover rate that creates crepey texture. For women whose skin is reactive and cannot tolerate acids, Aveeno is a strong choice for daily comfort. For women whose primary concern is the crepey appearance itself, the look of the skin, not the feel, the formula does not change the texture. The next product is the first in this test that was built specifically for crepey skin. Number 3. Gold Bond Age Renew Crepe Corrector Body Lotion. Around $16 to $18. This is the first product in this test that names crepey skin directly, not as a marketing afterthought, but as the formulation target. And the formula reflects that intent. What it claims: clinically shown to improve skin firmness and elasticity in 2 weeks. 82% of users saw visible improvement in crepey skin on the back of hands and arms in just 2 days. What the test found? The formula contains hydroxyethyl urea, a urea derivative with documented moisturizing and skin-softening properties. Sodium lactate, a mild humectant and gentle resurfacing agent. Fragrance-free. Dermatologist tested. No lanolin. 24-hour hydration. This formula is doing something the previous 4 are not. It is attempting renewal, not just moisture. Urea compounds gently loosen the bonds between dead skin cells, allowing the surface to shed more naturally. That is the beginning of addressing crepey texture rather than just covering it. The limitation: the urea concentration is not disclosed. The sodium lactate is a mild form of lactic acid present, but not at the therapeutic concentrations used in clinical dermatology. The formula also contains methylparaben, a preservative the EU has restricted in certain leave-on cosmetics. Gold Bond Crepe Corrector earned its 2022 Product of the Year award. It is the most accessible, most crepey-specific product on this list at its price point. 2 products remain, and both are in a different category of thinking. Number 2. Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion. Around $10 to $14. There is a category of product that does not announce itself. No celebrity spokesperson. No tropical fragrance. No clinical claim on the front label about crepey skin. Eucerin Advanced Repair is exactly that product, and it quietly contains a more sophisticated formula than anything at twice its price on this list. What it claims: 48-hour hydration for very dry skin. Dermatologist-recommended. Fragrance-free. What the test found? Read the ingredient list from the top. Water, glycerin, urea. Urea is the third ingredient in this formula, not buried, not a trace amount. After urea, sodium lactate. Then, further in, lactic acid. Then, ceramide NP. This formula contains 3 separate ingredients with documented skin renewal or barrier repair mechanisms: urea, sodium lactate, and lactic acid at meaningful positions in the ingredient list. Fragrance-free. Paraben-free. Lanolin-free. 48-hour hydration documented in clinical studies by Beiersdorf. Eucerin is owned by Beiersdorf, the same parent company as La Prairie, the luxury brand that charged $335 for an eye cream. Consumer Reports ranked near the bottom of its tests. One parent company. 2 completely different decisions about what the formula should actually do. There is a pattern that dermatologists describe consistently. A woman comes in with crepey skin on her arms or chest. She has been using a rich body cream religiously. The skin feels soft when she touches it. But the appearance has not changed. The texture is still there. She is confused the lotion is clearly working. Why does the skin still look the same? The answer is that the lotion is doing exactly what it was designed to do. Hydrate. It was never designed to renew. The gap between Eucerin and the winner is one word: intent. Eucerin contains lactic acid. It renews incidentally as a side effect of its moisture system. The winner was formulated to renew specifically. 15% lactic acid as the second ingredient. Targeted at crepey skin by name. Dermatologist recommended for exactly this application. Eucerin repairs skin that is already damaged. The winner changes skin that is aging. At this point in this test, only 2 products had passed all 5 criteria without a significant failure. Eucerin was one of them. The winner is the other. Quick pause. After running this test, one pattern kept appearing. Most women with crepey skin are shopping in the wrong category. They are buying moisture. Crepey skin needs renewal. I put together a free CleanShelf guide with the 5 ingredient patterns I now check before buying any body product. Link is in the description. It's free. The winner is the only product on this list that addresses renewal at the concentration that changes the texture. Number 1. Amlactin Crepe Firming Cream, around $18 to $22. 6 products failed at least one of the 5 criteria. Eucerin came the closest, and it failed on one specific point: it was not built for crepey skin. The winner was: most body lotions moisturize. This one does something different. The central question this test was built around: crepey skin is not dry skin. Dry skin feels tight. Dry skin responds to moisture. Crepey skin looks thin, crinkled, and papery, and it looks that way whether the skin feels dry or not. The texture is structural. It comes from a slowdown in cell turnover, a loss of elasticity, and a thinning of the dermis over time. Moisture addresses the surface. Renewal addresses the structure. Amlactin is consistently cited by dermatologists as a go-to lactic acid body product. Not because the brand paid for that positioning, but because the mechanism is what they are reaching for. The reason is the formula. The formula, 15% lactic acid, delivered as ammonium, lactate, and alpha-hydroxy acid with one of the most extensively documented mechanisms in dermatology for improving skin texture. At this concentration, lactic acid does 2 things simultaneously. It gently dissolves the bonds between dead skin cells at the surface, allowing them to shed naturally without scrubbing. And it acts as a powerful humectant, drawing water into the deeper layers of the skin. Not moisture sitting on top, moisture drawn inside. Most body lotions create a film on the surface of your skin. Amlactin changes the surface itself. Alongside the lactic acid system, 3 ceramides: ceramide NP, ceramide AP, ceramide EOP. The same ceramide combination used in clinical barrier repair formulas. Vitamin E fragrance-free, paraben-free, dye-free, phthalate-free. In clinical practice, dermatologists and skincare specialists report consistent improvement in crepey neck and chest skin after 8 to 12 weeks of twice daily use. Not overnight. The skin's natural renewal cycle operates on that timeline, and lactic acid works with it, not against it. The test result across all 5 criteria, skin renewal 15% lactic acid, is one of the highest concentrations of AHA available in an over-the-counter body product. This is the mechanism crepey skin specifically needs. Long-term hydration lactic acid as a humectant draws moisture into deeper skin layers, not just the surface. This is structurally different from how occlusives work. Occlusives seal. Lactic acid draws. Barrier repair 3 ceramides, providing the same barrier lipid structure the skin loses with age. Irritation risk fragrance-free, paraben-free, dye-free. No disclosed fragrance compounds. No restricted preservatives. Value $18 to $22. Against a $21 luxury cream built primarily around fragrance. Against a $20 infomercial formula with no published independent studies on its proprietary active. One thing worth knowing, lactic acid at 15% is active. Some women experience mild tingling on first use, particularly on reactive or broken skin. This is the acid doing its work. It typically resolves with consistent use. If irritation persists, discontinue. Most body moisturizers treat dryness. Crepey skin is not dryness. Amlactin is the only product in this test built around the mechanism that addresses what crepey skin actually is. 7 body moisturizers. 1 test. 5 criteria. The winner costs $18 to $22. Drop in the comments which of these are you currently using on crepey skin. And after this test, are you keeping it or switching?